In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video in Canva. Canva is an incredibly versatile tool used for a range of design projects, from creating stunning social media graphics to presentations and even videos. Uploading your own video content to Canva can enhance your projects significantly, enabling you to add a personal touch or specific branding to your work. Whether you're preparing a marketing presentation or sharing a personal story, integrating your own video can make a big difference. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to Canva's homepage. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is simple and straightforward. For those of you who already have an account, go ahead and log in. Once you're on the Canva dashboard, you'll notice the Uploads tab located on the left-hand toolbar. It's hard to miss and luckily very easy to use. Clicking on this tab will take you to the page where you can upload all your multimedia files, not just videos. Now that you're in the Uploads section, you'll see an option labeled Upload Your Files. This is the key step where you actually bring your video content into Canva. Clicking on Upload Your Files will prompt you to navigate through your computer's file explorer. Here, take a moment to locate the video file you wish to use. It's important that your video is in a supported format such as MP4, which is commonly accepted. If it's not, you might need to convert it beforehand. Once you've found your chosen video, select it and click Open. This step will start the upload process. It's worth noting that the time it takes for your video to upload can vary depending on the video's file size and the speed of your internet connection. While you wait, you could go over your storyboard or tweak other design elements in Canva. As the file uploads, it will appear in your Uploads library. When the upload is complete, you'll be able to click and drag your video file into any design you're working on. This is where the creative fun starts. You can resize your video, place it in a grid or frame, or layer it with other elements, things like text overlays, icons, and much more. With your video now successfully uploaded to Canva, you're ready to continue creating and fine-tuning your designs. By using your own video content, you're adding a layer of uniqueness and customization that can make your projects truly stand out. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Canva, the more intuitive and rewarding the process becomes. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.